Hello everyone, in this video we are going to use the set and join operations in a DBMS experiment. So we'll jump on to the questions. So the first one is display the product that was ordered and delivered using the union method, union command. So we have done it. So it would be select star from the product 298 table where product ID in select will include a subquery select product ID from product 298 union select product ID from supply 298. So all the details of the product 298 would be displayed, where the product ID here would be the same of as if in the supplier table. So these are the relative outputs for that question. The next one is The second one is display the details of the product that are yet to be delivered. So we'll be using the minus here. So everything exactly would be same except that we'll just see the minus. So select star from product 298 table where product ID in including a subquery select product ID from product 298 minus select product ID from supplier 298. So this is the required output for that. We'll jump on to the third one. Third one is list the name of the customers who have placed an order after 10th October 2014. So for that we have entered select star from product 298 where product ID. Okay, this is the same one actually. I'm just repeating the same one. Okay, this one. Okay, select customer name from customer 298. So we're going to display the customer name from the customer 298 table where the customer ID of this table is equal to, we're going to include a subquery select customer ID from order 298 where the order date is more than 9 October 2014. We haven't included the 10th October 2014 because there are no entries been made on that date. So in order to show you some outputs we have made it at 9. So these are the following people who have made orders on the 9th. So this is the third one. We'll jump on to the fourth one. We'll see that display the details of the product that were delivered within 10 days. So actually this question has been changed. So actually we have to just take one date from particular table and compare it. So we have done it. So select months between, we have entered so one entry we're going to give select as date from supplier where product ID is 4000, and another we are going to give another query select order date from order 298 where order ID is equal to 100, from dual because it's from both the tables. So we can see that between we can see that the month has been given 1.12 in decimal also. So these are there is exactly 1.12 months difference between that. So we're going on to the next one. So it says display details of the customer who have received their ordered product, So display the details of the, yes, this one. So select customer name from customer 298 where customer ID in, so select customer ID from order where order ID in another subquery select order ID from order line where product ID in, and last of all another subquery select product ID from supplier 298. So whatever product ID in supplier 298 is present, so that supplier ID's particular customer name would be written here. So these are the three customers whose sub products have been delivered. So this is the fifth one. To show you the sixth one is display the details of the product whose quantity is greater than 10. So we have given select star from product 298 where quantity is more than 10 order by quantity. So all the details are mentioned whichever has quantity more than 10 in the order of quantity. So this is this one. We're going to jump on to the next one where we're going to use inner join display the details of order ID with order date and customer name. So for that we have used here select customer name from customer 298 in a join order 298 on customer 298 dot inner join order 298 on customer 298 customer ID would be matched with order 298 customer ID. So whichever IDs are matching, those particular names have been mentioned and recalled one by one. So this is the output for that one. Number 7 is display the details of order ID with order date and customer name. And, okay, that one we have done. So 8th one is display the details of all the products that have been ordered and also the details of the delivered product using left outer join. So we are going to use left outer join here. Okay, for the previous one which we have done, actually we have just mentioned the customer name actually only. So in order to give more details, we have entered customer name, order 298's order ID and order 298's order date. So it would be more easier for the user to understand on what is mentioned. Moving on to our current question, I think this is the query. Select product 298's product description, product 298's tables, product material, product 298's product ID, suppliers SID, order quantity from the product 298. Okay, so these are the things which we are going to display from product 298. Left join supplier 298 on product, where product ID equal to supplier ID's product ID, and it would be in order of product ID. So all the left all the things which are present in the left table called from the left are been present, irrespective of whether the values are present or not. We can see there are blanks because they have no particular entries for these particular datas. So this is how we are going to use the left join. Moving on to the next one, we're going to display the details of all the customer as well as their order details using full join, full outer join. So how are we going to do it? So it's pretty simple. So there is select customer 298, customer name, customer ID, customer address and all the stuffs, and order 298's order ID, order date from all the stuffs from the customer 298, full join order 298 or the customer 298 customer ID and order 298 customer ID and order by customer's ID. So all those datas have been mentioned here and the required output has been administered. So the last is display the details of the suppliers who have supplied office desks. So for that, this is the query. So select star from supplier 298 where product ID in. Another subquery, select product ID from product 298 where product description is office desk. So whatever office desk is given, those particular suppliers description has been mentioned totally. So this is our fourth experiment. So we have covered all the questions. So yes, that's it for today. So thank you for watching.